sitting on a wealth of knowledge but unsure how to turn it into a profitable book? You're not alone, but you are in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to transform your expertise into a book that not only establishes your authority, but also becomes a powerful revenue generator. Stick around to the end where I'll reveal the secret to turning your book into a long-term profit machine. Hi, I'm Ellie Shefi, 10-time international best-selling author, publisher, business strategist, and attorney. I specialize in helping entrepreneurs, thought leaders, and change makers just like you turn their expertise into impactful best-selling books that elevate their authority, grow their business, and create lasting impact. Here's the truth. Your expertise is so much more than just knowledge or a skill. It's a gold mine. And your book? That's the key that unlocks it. Today, I'm walking you through 6 actionable steps to turn your knowledge into a profitable business building book. So let's dive in. Step 1, start with clarity. Before you ever write a word, it's crucial to know exactly what you're trying to achieve with your book. A clear purpose is the foundation of a successful, profitable book that resonates with your readers and grows your business. Here's how to achieve that clarity. First, determine your why and your what. Why are you writing this book? Is it to establish your authority, generate leads and grow your business, share your story, or create a lasting impact? Who are you writing it for? What do you want your readers to gain? Think about the transformation or value you're offering them. Are you teaching them a process, solving a specific problem, or inspiring them to take action? Your answers to these questions will serve as your compass throughout the writing process, ensuring every chapter aligns with your overall goals. Here's a pro tip. Write down your answer to these questions and keep them visible. Referring back to them will keep you clear, focused, and motivated, especially when challenges arise. Next, know your audience. Your book is not for everyone. It's for the specific group of people you want to help. Deeply consider your target audience by asking, what are their struggles, frustrations, goals, and desires? What language do they use when they're talking about it? What is it that they're seeking, and how can you give it to them? What information do they need to know? What questions do they have? When you understand your audience on a deep level, you can craft content that speaks directly to their needs and aspirations. This connection builds trust and positions you as the go-to expert they've been searching for. Here's your pro tip. Keep track of this information by creating your ideal audience avatar, an audience persona. Think granular. Think through things like, how old are they? What do they do for work? Where do they live? What keeps them up at night? What do they do for fun? The more detailed and specific you can get, the better. Then write your book as if you're speaking directly to that person. Third, articulate the transformation you're offering. Think about the journey you're taking your readers on. Where are they now? What problems or pain points are they experiencing? What solution are they seeking? Where do they want to be? Where will they be after reading your book? What results, insights, or changes will they achieve? A clear journey of transformation will not only keep your writing focused, but also ensure that your book delivers real value. Readers don't just want information, they want results. Here's your pro tip. The more clearly you can articulate the transformation you offer, the journey you take the reader on, and your proprietary process for getting them the transformation they seek, the more powerful your book will be, and the more likely your readers will want to work with you. Fourth, align your book with your business goals. Your book should serve as a strategic tool to grow your business. Ask yourself, how does this book fit into my overall business strategy? What products, services, or programs will it lead readers to? How can I use this book to build my brand, attract clients, and secure speaking and media engagements? For example, if you're a business coach, your book could include actionable strategies that lead readers to your coaching programs or online course. Clarity isn't just a step in the process, it's the foundation of a successful, impactful book. When you know your outcomes, understand your audience, and define the journey of transformation you're offering, you'll write a book that not only resonates, but delivers actual results. Here's your pro tip. If you're unsure or feeling stuck, take the time to brainstorm, reflect, or even talk it out with a trusted mentor. It's worth investing the time up front to get clear and create a solid foundation for your book. In fact, let's brainstorm together. Schedule your complimentary 20-minute best-selling book brainstorming session with me. Find the link in the description below. Step 2, build a framework around your expertise. Your expertise likely follows a process or methodology, even if you've never formally outlined it. To create a compelling, actionable book, it's essential to turn that process into a clear framework. Think of this framework as the roadmap that takes your reader on a journey from where they are now to the transformation they seek. By breaking your process into 9 to 12 clear steps, you not only make your book easier to write, but also ensure it's practical, impactful, and valuable for your audience. For example, let's say you're a leadership coach. Your framework might include steps like clarifying your vision, communicating with confidence, or building a culture of trust. Each of these steps becomes a chapter, guiding the reader through a logical progression of growth and transformation. By structuring your book this way, you create a sense of flow that keeps your readers engaged while giving them actionable strategies they can immediately apply. One of the key advantages of using a framework is that it provides structure, not just for your readers, but for you as the author. Instead of staring at a blank page wondering where to start, you already know the major milestones you need to cover. Each chapter becomes a focused step with clear takeaways, examples, and action items. Now, remember that a strong framework makes your book not just informative, but transformational. When your readers can follow your process and see tangible results, they're more likely to trust you, recommend your book, and seek out your services. It's not just about writing a book. It's about creating a tool that amplifies your authority, connects with your audience, and drives lasting impact. Now, here's a pro tip. Get feedback on your framework before you dive into writing. Share it with your existing clients or a trusted colleague, coach, or mentor to ensure that it's clear and actionable. Feedback at this stage allows you to refine your structure so that when you do write your book, every step resonates with your audience. Now, quick check-in. Are these tips resonating with you? If so, I'd love for you to hit the like button. It lets me know you're finding value in this content and helps me create even more actionable tips for you. And of course, don't forget to share this video with someone who's ready to write their book. Together, we can inspire more people to take the leap. Ready for more tips? Let's keep going. Step 3, write with your audience in mind. Now, think back to your ideal reader. What are their biggest challenges? What solutions are they looking for? Speak directly to them by referring to them as you to make it more connective and personal. Be sure to address their pain points and offer solutions, and share relatable stories that demonstrate that you've walked in their shoes. When you speak directly to the reader using the language they would use, and you show them that you've been there too, and then you share the very strategies you're teaching them and how they've helped you, you're able to build trust with them and connect with them powerfully. Step 4, monetize beyond book sales. Your book can do so much more than just generate book sales. It can open doors to tons of new opportunity. So add calls to action throughout your book to guide readers to exclusive resources, courses, or workshops. Strategically use the content in your book to lead readers into high-ticket services like coaching or consulting. And leverage your book to secure media features, podcast interviews, and speaking gigs. Your book is so much more than a business card. It's a credibility builder and income generator all rolled into one. Here's your pro tip. Include a dedicated next step section in your book. Whether that's at the end of each chapter or in a conclusion, guide your readers toward actionable follow-ups that tie directly into what you're sharing in your book, like downloading a free workbook, joining a webinar, or signing up for a discovery call. Give your readers ways to continue to engage with you. Step 5, use your book to build your brand. When done right, your book positions you as the go-to thought leader in your niche. So make sure you're maximizing the opportunities to let people know about your book. Consistently reference your book in your content, whether that's in social media, blogs, newsletters, podcasts, or videos. Highlight testimonials and reviews to show how your book is impacting readers. And weave your book into your brand story. Share how you're writing the book aligns with your mission. Every time you mention your book, you're reinforcing your authority and building trust with your audience. Here's your pro tip. To make it easier for yourself and others to share about your book, create a media kit. This kit should include a professional headshot, a high-quality image of your book cover, a concise author bio, and pre-written captions or talking points for social media, interviews, and blogs. Having these resources ready makes it easy for you to seize opportunities and easily share your work with others, whether it's podcast hosts, collaborators, or your own audience. Step 6, always keep your desired outcomes in mind. Now, remember, every chapter should be a step in the journey of transformation you're taking your reader on. Every word, every story needs to have a purpose. Whether you're educating, inspiring, or empowering your reader, your book should act as a bridge, getting them from where they are now to where they want to be, and connecting them to your broader ecosystem of services and offerings. When written strategically and with intention, your book becomes a catalyst for transformation. Here's your pro tip. Create a reader's transformation map before you ever start writing. This map should outline the starting point of your reader, their struggles, questions, or pain points, and it should plot out the exact steps in their journey toward their desired outcome after finishing your book. Clearly identify how each chapter contributes to moving the reader closer to the outcome they desire. Use this map as your guiding compass throughout the writing process to ensure that every section moves the needle, delivers value, reinforces your expertise, and seamlessly ties into your larger ecosystem of services and offerings. This intentional approach not only keeps your book focused, but ensures that you're driving the reader toward the transformation they seek. Turning your expertise into a profitable book isn't just about writing. It's about creating a tool that grows your business, builds your brand, and transforms lives. If you're ready to bring your book to life, I've created a free resource packed with actionable strategies to help you craft a book that actually connects with your audience and establishes you as the go-to expert in your field. Click the link in the description below to download it now and start turning your vision into reality. And if this video added value, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to turn their knowledge into impact. Let's make this the year you finally write your book. See you in the next video.